guys, it's Brooklyn and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I make videos twice a week, so on Tuesdays and on Fridays. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your love and support my channel, and I'm really hoping you're enjoying my content. So today's video is going to be on this Christmas look, so it is very kind of festive, goldy champagne smoky eyes, just a really nice smoky eye with glitter and then a red lip. I did do a nude pink lip option in this video, so you can choose whatever one you like best, but I think the red lip just makes it more amped up and more Christmassy. So let's get started before I ramble on, because I know I can just talk for ages, so I'll get into the story. I already have my base makeup on, but I'll list down below if I can remember. I'll cut it out of the video just to save time. I'm using the W7 Seduced Palette. It's basically a dupe of the Sultry palette by Anastasia, so if you have any one of them palettes or similar, use that. I'm taking that coral shade on the fluffy end of the brush that comes with the palette, putting it into the crease and transitional area. This is going to be the colour that helps the other colours blend in, so basically the transitional shade, also underneath the eyes by squashing the brush. Taking that dark brown shade on a Jessup's tapered crease brush, I'm going to apply that into the outer V and also into the crease, just blend it in. Obviously not as high as the transitional shade. This is going to build up a smokiness for the black colour to go on top. If you've got hooded eyes like mine, take the colour slightly above your natural crease line so you can see your colours, like your eyeshadows, as your eyes are open. It's a good idea to look straight into the mirror as you're placing the colours, but also still place them into your natural crease too, just to get a good idea of depth, and also taking that colour underneath the lash line the same as the transitional shade. I'm blending around that dark brown shade with the same brush I used for the transitional shade with no extra product on it. Just making sure the edges are diffused and nice and blended. I'm going back in with that brush I used for the dark brown shade to make sure that's nice and deep. I'm taking that black shade on a Jessup small defining crease brush, really focusing it on the outer V area and slightly into the crease. I really want to make sure that colour is just smoked out and just smoke out the eye look with that black. This black is amazing just to really make your eye look smoke and pop and just look amazing. So I'm really packing it on there, and then taking it underneath the lash line like I did with the other two colours, just to make it more uniform and smoky. I'm blending out that black shade with the same brush I used the dark brown shade. I want to make sure it's nice and blended but still nice and smoky, because it is Christmas after all, and want your eye makeup just to pop and look nice and sexy and smoky. So yep, blending out the top and bottom eyeshadows basically, and then I'm taking the first brush and I'm going over the edges of that transitional shade, just to really make sure they look so nice and smoky and diffused at the same time. As I said before, you really want to make sure you build and blend just to get the shade you want. And then I'm placing that bronzy champagne on the lid with the flat side of that double-ended brush that comes to the palette. I'm packing it on. You can cut the crease and apply this afterwards, but I'm too lazy, so I didn't do that, and that's what it looks like. And then I'm just taking a mixture of the white and the shimmery shade to go on the brow bone with a fluffy but flat brush, and then I'm taking my fingers to pack that onto the inner corners of my eyes. I really want it to pop as well, so yeah. And because it is a party look, I'm going to take this Makeup Gallery lip plumper. I'm just applying it onto my lips. It is a gloss, but I am going to wipe it off before I put my lip combo on. I just really want to make sure my lips are nice and extra full. And what's a party season without glitter? So we're going to add this Makeup Gallery liquid glitter. Like, it's basically a glitter eyeliner in the shade gold. I do a silver shade, but I prefer the gold shade, especially for this look. I'm basically applying it all over the lid space where I placed that lid shimmery colour, like the bronzy champagne. And then I'm taking my eyeliner, which I have applied off camera, and also my mascara. I will list down below, and then here's what the look looks like. From now I'm taking my W7 Honolulu Bronzer. I'm going to contour it with the same brush that comes in this bronzing kit. This bronzer is amazing. It is a basic complete dupe of the Benefit Hula bronzer, so I would definitely recommend it. But I'm just really making sure contour my cheekbones, sides of the forehead, and also that jawline. You want to make sure everything is snatched. And I'm taking my Ellison's angled contour brush to blend it out in a minute. Yep, there it is. Just want to make sure it's blended too, but still looks nice and sharp and contoured. So, yep. Taking my Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer and Sweet Tea on a Bare Minerals Flawless face brush. I'm going to bronze my face, so the sides of the forehead, cheekbones, and also a bit in the chin and slightly down the neck, just to really make sure I look luminous and bronze. This bronzer is my absolute favourite. And then I'm taking Benefit Goldrush blush on a unicorn blush brush, and want to make sure my cheeks look nice and glowy and blushed. This is very kind of subtle blush. It's kind of like a really luminous one, so it's nice for like party season. It's not going to argue with any kind of colour you have on the eyes. And I'm taking my Revolution Mary Curie highlight on a unicorn tapered highlight brush. Just really piling on that highlighter, especially the gold tones in that. Just I want to make sure I look luminous, basically, like really glowy, and people can see my highlight from the space, basically, from outer space. And then I'm taking my Avon Marc setting spray. Now, make sure you really fan your face well after you set your face with this, and set it from a distance, because it is like going for a swim, basically. It's so like wet, basically. Then I'm taking the first lip combo. It's the Kat Von D Lovecraft liquid lipstick with this Flormar rosy lip liner. I don't know of the name of it. I'll try to link it down below or list it, but it's basically like a nice rosy toned lip liner, and I'm just really going to line my lips, overdraw my top lip, but I'm kind of basically following the line of the bottom lip. I really want to make sure my lips look full, and then going over top of it with my Kat Von D liquid lipstick. It is a gorgeous lip combo. I didn't realize how gorgeous this lip combo was until I used it the other day. I was like, I need to like wear this more often. It is stunning. It is absolutely stunning. Now on to the red lip combo. I'm taking my Bella Pure red liquid lip kit. Basically, I'm taking the pencil, doing the same thing I did for my nude pink lip combo, overdrawing my top lip and following the shape of my bottom lip, and then I'm filling it in with a liquid lipstick. Now, this colour, this red lip combo is stunning. Another shade I hardly ever wear, but I should. This also comes with a gloss if you want to wear the gloss over top, which would be equally as nice, but yeah. So that is the completed look. Let me know what one you prefer, nude pink lip or the red lip, and I hope you have a nice, safe, happy Christmas wherever you do, and stay gorgeous. Bye.